Hey guys, it's Tricks Designs here, just doing my first tutorial. So today we're going to be doing a color correction tutorial in Photoshop. So what you want to do is get an image, any image will do. So first off you want to get a black and white. Let's load. Stick it as overlay. Turn down the opacity if you want. I'll go to 85. Around there. And then next you want to go to, what would I go to? Hue saturation. Colorize. Just turn it, go to red or any color you want. And it's your preferences, do what you want. Keep on red. Turn the saturation up to, let's see, 38. No, don't stick on overlay, put on normal. Right. Next, you want to go to gradient map, purple to orange. Stick as overlay. Turn the opacity down a bit. Right. Next you want to do, let's go brightness and contrast. Put brightness as 81. Then just scroll the contrast until you think it's about right. I'll say around 53. Next, we'll add a curve. So just mess around with it until you think it looks good. Now, add a level. Let's see. Turn it back to make it bright. Or you can drag this on to make it darker. That looks good. Now, show you to make some rain in Photoshop, yeah? White there. Go to filter, noise, add noise. Put to 49. Just pause if you want to see. And then you go to Control I, which is invent, or you can go to image. Now you got the layer. No, where is it? I can't find it. I think it's image adjustments, then some invert. Yeah, there it is. Then you want to go to image adjustments, levels, and drag this along until you think it's dark enough. Around there. See, this is what it looks like. It's just a load of black dots. Black and white dots. We go to filter, blur, motion blur. Now I would put on around 55, 53. Now, this is done now. What to do is put on screen. See, you can see it now. Image adjustment levels, and you can turn it down or up. I'll say down. People's calling me, so look me down there. Right. Image adjustments. I'll go to black and white, so I don't see these are red bits. No. Filter. If you want to make it even more better, just go to filter, stylize. There, distort than 12. And put on anything you want. I could put on 50. And then you can go to image, adjustment curves. Right now. Then just add a contrast, and then that should do. Right, where's contrast again? Here it is. Just mess around with the settings. Right there. Oh, and you can add some levels so you can see the rain a bit more. Oh yeah, you should click on the layer. Right, so layer, image, adjustment, levels. See? Now, I'm done here now, guys. So, yeah, so what do you want to see next from me? Just put in the comments below, down there. And then I will respond to it with whatever you want. So yeah. Peace.